Chapter 5 covers probability. So descriptive statistics is concerned with summarizing data collected from past events. Now we are going to look at the second facet of statistics, computing the chance that something will occur in the future. And this is called statistical inference or inferential statistics. Our learning objectives are to explain the terms experiment, event, and outcome, identify and apply appropriate approach to assigning probabilities, calculate probabilities using rules of addition, define joint probability, calculate probabilities using the rules of multiplication, define conditional probability, compute probabilities using a contingency table, and determine the number of outcomes using the appropriate principle of counting. Probability is a value between 0 and 1, and it's inclusive, and it describes the chance that an event will occur. So if you look at this chart here, if 0 is it cannot happen, and 1 means it is sure to happen. So 0% or 0 probability our sun will disappear this year. There's no chance of that happening. Chance Slowpoke will win the Kentucky Derby. There's a 0.2 or 20% chance that will happen. Chance of a head in a single toss of a coin, that's 50% because there's two sides to a coin. 0.7 or 70% chance of an increase in federal taxes, and 1 or 100% chance of rain in Florida this year. It will rain in Florida sometime this year, so the chance of that is 100%. Now let's look at experiment, outcome, and event. An experiment is a process that leads to the occurrence of only one of several possible observations. An outcome is the result of an experiment, and an event is a collection of one or more outcomes of an experiment.